Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, bed liner, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.